Alright, for today we'll be making a railroad spike knife, and we will be doing the rubix twist for the handle. How you make a rubix twist is first you want to start out with your railroad spike, and we want to mark how much we want to designate for our handle. So if you put your hand there, you can do it probably about like right somewhere. Marker's not working. Somewhere around there. Okay? So now we're going to take the angle grinder. We're going to cut a line on all sides, directly in the middle. Well, that's not really in the middle. On all sides, all the way up to that mark that we made. Okay, so now when we cut a line through every side, and then we're going to diagonally cut, and you'll see what I mean by that. And we'll score a little line here, both sides. And this is just for demonstration purposes. I'm not actually going to be cutting with this marking, but you'll get the point. So we'll cut one side, and then we'll flip it and do that side. So you'll see when we start cutting, I'll cut all the lines, and then I'll cut at an angle here. Flip it diagonally, and then do this side. And then when we twist it, it'll give it this really cool look that just looks out of this world. just want to thank you for watching to the end of making this rubix knife. I really like making these knives because it's just so simple. You don't have, you know, pins, epoxy, and making the handles and stuff like that. It's just a really cool side project to do. It's a really nice utility knife because it's, you know, it's just metal. I mean, you're not really going to mess this up. The one thing I don't like about rubix spikes as knives is it's just so low carbon, which means it doesn't get hard enough as other knife steels like 1090 or, you know, spring steel leaf springs, coil springs, stuff like that. It just doesn't get near as hard as those, so you're going to have to sharpen this up quite a bit. And I wouldn't really classify this as a knife because I wouldn't like daily carry this, but it's just a really cool art piece. You can use it if you want, but you just have to sharpen it up quite often. But anyway, thank you guys for watching to the end. If you want to see more stuff like this, just like, subscribe, and if you want to leave a comment and how you thought about the video, just please let me know. And see you guys next time.